How to insert a graph in Origin, tips and tricks. Welcome back. You're just in time for something awesome today. We learn about how to insert a graph in Origin. And before dive in, if you need good help into more understanding about it, a genius writer, a brainy tutor, or a data analyst, Intudo4U has them all. It's like having a research dream team on demand. So visit it right now. And if you are new here, then subscribe now for more amazing video just like that. In this video, we'll learn how to insert an inset inside a plot. An inset is simply a smaller zoomed-in graph placed inside the main figure, which helps highlight details that are otherwise difficult to see. Here we have some data and its plot. When I look at this plot, I notice that one profile has a very large magnitude, while the other profiles appear suppressed and very small. To make those smaller lines clearer, we can zoom into that portion and insert it as an inset. Step 2. Duplicating the plot. The first step is to create a duplicate of the plot. Right-click on the image and select Create Duplicate. Now, we have two plots, the original and a duplicate. We'll edit the duplicate, which will later serve as the inset. Inside the duplicate plot, remove the legend if you don't need it. Remove the extra axes that are already visible in the main plot. Keep the vertical axis because we still need to show magnitudes. Now we'll change the vertical scale to focus on the smaller profiles. Let's set the axis to around 0.5. After applying, I see that the smaller profiles are now visible, while the large profile appears almost flat. This is exactly what we want for the inset. Copy the duplicate plot. Paste it onto the main plot. Resize and drag it to fit neatly inside the figure. Make sure it doesn't look stretched, keep the proportions natural. Now let's make the inset more readable. Increase the font size of the axis labels and numbers. Adjust line thickness if needed. Make sure the inset text size looks comparable to the main plot. To clearly show which region the inset represents, draw an arrow from the main plot to the inset. Customize its thickness, style, or shape. This helps viewers quickly understand the connection between the inset and the main figure. If you want this workflow documented as a reusable template, or you need help writing up the analysis section, coding the data prep, or building publish-ready graphics, visit Intudo4U.com. Intudo4U connects you with the best writers, tutors, and data analysts to accelerate your projects. Link in the description. When you're satisfied, go to File Export. Choose a format such as PNG. Set the resolution to 300 dpi for high quality. Now your figure is ready for use. Method 1. Zoom box inset. Instead of duplicating, draw a rectangular box on the main plot. Define the region you want to zoom into. Create a zoomed version of that section. Clean up extra titles/axes, adjust scales, and insert it back. This method is very handy when you want the inset to match a specific highlighted box. Method 2. Inserting external images. Sometimes, you may want to insert an external figure, for example, an impedance image. Go to File, Import, Insert Image from File. Select the external image, resize it, and place it on your plot. This is useful when combining plots with supporting images. So, to summarize, we can add insets by duplicating a plot, zooming into details, and pasting it back, by using a zoom box selection, or even by inserting external images. Insets make your plots much more informative and professional, especially when some data details are too small to be noticed in the main figure. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.